HashiCorp Vault Radar offers an easy-to-use command line interface tool for scanning data sources to find unmanaged secrets. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to find unmanaged secrets and reduce security vulnerability in your CI pipelines. This capability can be used with all CI/CD providers to detect secrets in tip of branch and during pull request branch merge operations. In my repository, I've created a GitHub Actions workflow script called Radar. This script enables Vault Radar to scan the tip of branch when I try to commit updates to this repository. You can see this workflow enables a secure connection with Vault Radar and also automatically grabs the command line interface tool to run the scan. Here I have a sample YAML file with some inactive or low severity secrets in it. I'm also going to create a new file with secrets in it and then try to push it to my main branch. So I'll create that now. I'm going to call it temp.py and then paste in a couple of secrets. So once I've clicked commit and I've kicked that off, I'm going to select the action tab to show that my Vault Radar scan has been kicked off by the Radar workflow. And in about 15 seconds, I'll see that the build has failed. Looking at the annotations, I can see the secrets I introduced into the new temp file and their critical severity. Down below, I can see the inactive and lower priority secrets that were already in my sample file. Radar performs activeness checks as part of the data it collects to properly classify the severity of the secrets it finds. Scrolling back up to my critical secrets, I can see what kind of secrets they are and click a link to investigate and see the secrets where they were found by Radar. After investigating scan results, if I determine that a secret was detected and it's a false positive, I can override this by adding a HashiCorp ignore statement to that line. And I'm going to go ahead and do that here. And I'll go ahead and try pushing those changes again. And I'll select the Actions tab and see my Vault Radar workflow kick off again and scan my push to main. And this time it was successful. And as you can see in the results, those critical secrets are no longer blocking my build. This ignore capability ensures false positives don't block developers from maintaining productivity while still being able to quickly and automatically scan code in their repositories. So as you can see, Vault Radar supports overall security lifecycle management by helping you stop unsecure secrets from getting into your CI pipelines, and it does this without compromising development workflow or productivity.